Today, and it was an incredible experience. This is the place to be for Gen Z insights. Ton about TikTok and a lot of interesting things, and I highly recommend making it to the YMS in your city.
Great. I think I love being able to share my expertise as someone who, lives and breathes young multicultural work at Unbothered and Somo. So it's always fun to meet people who appreciate that, who are just as passionate, and who can also share and I can learn from.
I had a great time at the panel this morning on YMS with my fellow panelists talking about the future of Gen Z marketing. Great event so far.
I feel a lot of enthusiasm, and it's been a great place for creating community. So yeah, I've had a great experience.